Well, after that soft top post, I figured I would do a product test. So I'm not really sure. See, there's these stains in my soft top. She's going on 4 years old. Plays in the woods just about every weekend. And when I pressure wash it and wash it with soap, it looks new. A couple of days later, they just pop out. This side's a little worse. Not sure. See, those stains there. So, my roof isn't too bad except on the driver's side. So what I decided to do is get both of these. So we'll do a product test. I'll do the 303 on one side and Mcguires on the other and see which one works best. And that's our product test review. Here we go. So I'm using the Mcguires on the sunny side because the 303 said don't let it dry. And I'm just using a soft cloth to work it in. And let's see what happens with this. You can see a little bit of the sides aren't white. You can see it lifting a bit. I'm having a hard time telling where the spots were. These are dirty sides. So this is going to be the Mcguire side. And again, I'm doing it on that side because the 303 said don't let it dry on your soft top. Alright, so I'm using the 303 on this side. I felt like I had to apply it a little more liberally. Just felt like it was a thinner based. Maybe that on my top was sucking it up, but I don't think so because I let it down. I'm using a different rag. I don't know. We'll see what happens with this. I don't care which one works, as long as it gets my stains out. All right, I'm gonna keep scrubbing this one. Okay, so I did both sides. I left them on, I agitated. Actually, I left the 303 probably on a little longer because it said to. The Mcguires left a film on my windows. That's okay, I've got window cleaner. Actually, the vinyl does look pretty good. I noticed my roof, it's still got stains up there. Now for the 303 side, which has still been in the shade, that could be why the haze and the residues on the Mcguire side. The 303 side, honestly, still staying same stains. So, but there's no residue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip my Jeep. I'm going to have one side in the sun. I just won't let it dry. I'll do both sides twice, just to be fair. I don't want the stains out. Well, let's see what happens with this. Alright, the last video of the soft top cleaner challenge. So the driver's side was the Mcguires. I did both sides twice. It feels like there's a residue on it. It's still got some haze to it. Tell you the truth though, I parked it in the sun where I felt that both sides were going to get the sun equally. So I was trying to eliminate that. Looks actually pretty damn good. The 303 side, it faded them. It didn't leave that residue, but maybe the 303 would be better for a top that hasn't seen as much mud action. So from my backyard experience, everyday life, I think the Mcguires did a better job. I would suggest that you're gonna have to wash your vehicle afterwards, because this cleaner does leave a, I don't know which one, did leave a film on my paint. So she's gonna have to get washed again. But yeah, I think for the same price, and if you want to get rid of those nasty stains, I think the Mcguires did the best. What I did find funny though is nobody mentioned the Best Top. So Morris 4x4 and Best Top product out there, you guys make soft tops. You're more than welcome to send some products to the Eatin Jeepers so some of our members can test it out. All right, I guess I need to do the 303 side with the Mcguires now. Thanks, guys. If you guys have a product that you know that works, that'll save everybody some time and money from trying different products and not hurting your vehicle, give us a shout. Like what works best on the rims. Have a great day.